Remove the large screen main unit from the car. Pull out the plug wire connected to the large screen host of the car. Put the car's large screen host aside. Find another pair of patch cords. Provide a dedicated cable for special vehicles. Special wires are plugged into the original car wires. The large screen host of the vehicle is plugged into the original vehicle cable. Install the large screen main unit of the car back to its original location. Then install DSP. Dedicated line to plug into DSP. Plug one end of the DSP special data cable into the computer. Plug in the DSP on the other end. Then turn on the car power. The large screen host and DSP of the waiting machine turn on. Computer ready for tuning. Open the tuning software. Select DSP model. Enter the interface and start tuning. Save settings. Completed exit.